Hello, this is a good time to talk about arts. Yeah, if you don't know how to install this program in your computer, you just go and Google it. You can put like that. Lightroom online, then you go here, and here we go. Then you go to login, and this is the time. When you open one picture, let's put add a picture, okay? Let's say I'm going to select text picture, okay? Now you can see. Let's start. You push this button. Yeah, if you want to use something like here, let's put like this. You know, you just do however you would like, okay? Just that. You can do all you want. This. I didn't know that. I just knew today. That's why I'm just sharing this with you. Yeah, imagine if you like just like black and white like that. Yeah, and then you just close here. This is sharing the new edition. And that's it. When you open it, you just click like to share that, you know, whatever you want. And that's it. It's here. This is a picture, you see? Yeah, so you just do whatever you want. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.